Welcome to the Minecraft Alex channel. Subscribing there. Now I'm.
What are we going to do today?
But first we have to put these up. First, okay, just put that.
What's the experiment today, huh? What is the experiment today? Can you let everybody know what's your topic for today?
To see if an insect that's not glowing can deglow a glowing sign, and to see if other boss can destroy an anvil. Let's first do this one. Okay, so it looks like these broke. Look, saplings make anvils. Okay. They got broken. Okay, it looks like these ones didn't break.
Okay, interesting.
Okay, land. Okay, break. Okay, break. Whoa, these ones are break. What? About? Okay, it looks like these two didn't break it. Like there's a stone cutter and full frame and bound. Oh, composter, potion. There's some blocks. Look, that's a stone cutter and that's an end portal frame. Let's try this. Okay, it looks like two of them failed to destroy an anvil. Okay, let's get it. Okay, it looks like none of them. Okay, I'll break it.
Okay, so
Mommy,
are we done with our experiment?
no, we still have one more.
Oh, here. Okay.
Quarter and then quarter do the same thing to anvils.
Okay.
Look, they're all breaking it. Regular coral that's not dead will also break it. So this, Mommy, I found the end portal frame stone cutter and then will break the anvil. Mommy, what was your guess?
I thought every item would break.
So, Mommy,
Yeah.
2 fails here, 4, all of them failed here. 3 fails here, and 4 fails here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 6 fails here, 3 fails there, 9 fails in total here. No fails here.
That's a good experiment.
And yes, okay, Mommy. Let's see if Mommy.
Are we done for today's show?
No, we have one more topic.
One more?
Yes, let's get some. Okay. I'll say. Mommy, how do you say subscribe?
Can you tap the first? Yes. S.
No, I want you to.
Yeah, what's the next letter?
Oh no.
Press U.
You.
B.
E.
What's the next letter?
What?
Subs. S. S. C. R. I. B.
E.
B. What? E. E.
E. Space. E. O. 2. Okay, Okay, I'm going to make this glow.
Wow, that's so cool.
And let's see if this will deglow it.
Oh, we're going to deglow your sign, huh?
Let's see if it will deglow it.
Oh, yeah, it works. That's a good one. All right. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I'll see you next time.
Bye bye. This is our topic for tomorrow.
Oh, that's a topic for tomorrow?
Yes. Let's see if copper and colored copper that has been tapped by honeycomb will not oxidize.
Oh, let's see if we will oxidize tomorrow.
Yes. Let's see if the